I just got to Pomona and we're on the set, but this isn't part of the set, so I can just talk to you. I'm just really thankful. I'm really excited. And I'm not thankful because it's Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for me. Because I changed my name to Liberty V Justice. Because there's no period in my V. Because my victories never end. And I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. You're worth it. Look, I didn't change my name so that you could be like, yay, go Liberty. Yes, I'm thankful for myself and I'm proud of myself. I don't need you to be proud of me. Here's the thing. I need you to be proud of you, okay? I need you to be like, I go, girl. I'm a go and I go, girl. Or I go, boy, whatever. However you identify. Go yourself. Be proud of yourself. Once you start doing the things that I tell you you can do anything because you're worth it. Just go and do it and you'll feel confident too. And then you won't need validation from anyone else. You're worth it.